Hello, Dr. Sebastian Lavue and fellow friends. I am Nur Nabila Husna binti Bazlan. Would like to present a video about sexual reproduction of and behavior of weakly electric fishes, family Mormyridae. This video is prepared for Dr. Sebastian for subject BZT 306 Animal Behavior. So this video is divided into four parts. First part would be why I choose this topic to present. Secondly, what kind of fish is Mormyridae. Next, mating behavior of Mormyridae. And lastly, communication mechanisms for mate recognition of Mormyridae. So friends, I choose this topic because for me, this topic is very interesting. This topic helped me to understand the role of electric organ discharge towards the reproduction. I also able to understand the behavior of the different sex of weakly electric fish towards the electric organ discharge for reproduction. Other than that, I am also able to identify if the electric organ discharge helps in differentiate the species of weakly electric fish. So, to explore the sexual reproduction and behavior of this family Mormyridae, we will be looking at this one study from Frank Kitzbaum. I'm sorry if I pronounced the name wrong. Entitled Electrifying Love. Electric fish use species-specific discharge for mate recognition. So what kind of fish is Mormyridae? Mormyrid, also called mormyr, any of several species of slimy freshwater African fishes that comprise the family Mormyridae from order Mormyriformes. So they are also commonly referred to as elephant fishes. There is about 200 species in various regions across the African continent. The reason why they are called weakly electric because they can emit and receive weak electric organs discharge or EODs. They are usually found in sluggish muddy water. So mormyrids are soft red bony fishes with abdominal pelvic fins and forked fin tail. Uh, they also have small mouth and eyes, restricted gills opening, and small scale. The elephant fishes are a diverse family with a wide range of different sizes and shapes. They range from 9 to 50 cm in length. Their brains are proportionately very large, comparable to that of humans in relation to body weight. Enlarged area of the brain indicates well-developed senses. There are also loosely bony plates attached on each side of the head. It covers a vesicle that communicates with the internal ear. A pair of electric organs of mild power present in the tail set up a continuous electric field around the fish and acting as a sensory screen. Most mormyrids feed on small prey, aquatic vegetation, or organic debris. So let's move to the next topic, which is the mating behavior of Mormyridae. For this family, female are usually grew slightly larger than the males. The anal fin reflex, however, make it easy to discriminate between the males and the female. The male usually had built the nest before the first spawning occur. The male put the eggs into the well-hidden nest previously constructed from the plant material. The male generally chose a well-protected place to fix the nest material. During nights with no spawning, the females regularly entered the male's territory. The male, however, was only rarely seen in the territories of the female. Spawning took place during the first 6 hours in the territory of the male. So during each spawning act, 2 to 4 eggs were laid. The eggs then are collected by the male and put into the nest. However, the male put eggs to several consecutive spawnings into one nest, and it seems to remove the unfertilized one. So the eggs, free embryos, and larvae of several spawning were guarded by the male for several weeks. The females laid on average 120 eggs per fractional spawning. The eggs were 2 mm in diameter, not adhesive, and very yolky. Hatching occurred on the third day after spawning. The larval period ended when the fish were 15 millimeter long and 40 to 50 days old. Okay, as we already understand their sexual behavior, let's move to the communication mechanism for mate recognition of Mormyridae. Mate choice is mediated by a range of sensory cues, and assortative mating based on these cues can drive reproduction isolation among diverging population. A specific feature of Mormyrid fish, the electric organ discharge, which is EOD, is used for electrolocation and intraspecific communication. The EOD also facilitates assortative mating and ultimately promotes prezygotic reproductive isolation in African weakly electric fishes. Female mate recognition is influenced by EOD signals, and that females are attracted to EOD characteristic of conspecific males. The dual function of the EOD for both foraging and social communication, including mate recognition leading to assortative mating, underlines the importance of its electric signal differentiation for the divergence of African weakly electric fishes. Females have a multiphasic EOD that is more complex than the male's biphasic EOD. The sound generating mechanism is based on a drumming muscle coupled to the swim bladder. Males generate courtship sounds and females do not. So the males continue to produce sounds after injection of either lidocaine in the trunk muscles or saline in the swim bladder muscles. So here is the reference. I think that's all from me. Thank you.